1, 2.
We're actually going to do a pattern interrupt a little bit in boxing. Well, the boxing is to have our brains look at something from a different angle.
What we're trying to do throughout the class is create a theme or a story that's going to relate back to that one core concept. So we're reminding them throughout. We set the tone at the beginning, and then they kind of get in, they get the edges out, figure out what they're doing, and then there's the opportunity to find space throughout the class to really drop something around that core theme, that intentionality.
Clearly, employees would love to leave the office and go boxing for the afternoon. That's not really what this is about. And that's why we really only choose 1 out of 10 companies to do this, because we need to really make sure that the learning matches something relevant in the company and that there's context. What they're doing in the boxing studio is mimicking what they would do at their desk at work. It's only that we're giving them additional context and additional impact to allow them to do it. That's the brilliance of what we do here, and that's why everybody really wants to come and experience this for themselves.
This was a great opportunity to get out there and sweat all over the bag and really revamp our intention statements in terms of directing the conversation and taking control of the sales process.
When you come out of that, you're really, really energized, and so you put a lot more intentionality into intention statements.
The good news is you can do it. That's the only news there is. That's the only news there is. Nothing else matters.